Your front door is more than just an entry point. It's a statement piece that sets the tone for your entire home. For homeowners in Crestview, Florida, Door Installation offers a valuable opportunity to boost your home's curb appeal and make a lasting impression on visitors and potential buyers alike. Whether you're building a new home or updating an existing one, choosing the right door and installing it professionally can transform your home's exterior and elevate its overall appearance. Here's how door installation can enhance your home's curb appeal in Crestview and why it's worth considering. First impressions matter. The front door is the first thing guests notice when they approach your home. A well-chosen door immediately adds personality and style, reflecting your taste and complementing your home's architecture. In Crestview, where charming neighborhoods and diverse architectural styles abound, a striking front door can help your home stand out. Replacing an old, worn, or outdated door with a new, stylish model revitalizes your home's facade and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door with intricate details, a sleek modern fiberglass door, or a sturdy steel door with decorative glass inserts, the right door makes a powerful first impression that enhances your home's curb appeal. Boost your home's value. Door installation is one of the most cost-effective home improvement projects that yield a high return on investment. Front door not only beautifies your home, but also increases its market value. According to real estate experts, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the cost when they sell their home. In Crestview's competitive housing market, a home with a well-designed, eye-catching entryway attracts more buyers and often sells faster. Investing in a high-quality door installation signals to potential buyers that the home is well-maintained and updated, giving it an edge over comparable properties. Enhance architectural styles. Your door should complement your home's architectural style rather than clash with it. For example, a craftsman-style home in Crestview might pair beautifully with a wooden door featuring glass panels and detailed woodwork. A contemporary home might benefit from a minimalist door with clean lines and a bold color. Professional door installers can help you select a door that enhances your home's character, choosing from various materials, finishes, colors, and hardware options. This customization ensures your door feels like a natural extension of your home's design, improving visual harmony and curb appeal. Improve lighting and visibility. Modern door designs often incorporate glass panels or side lights that allow natural light to flow into your entryway, creating a warm and inviting interior space. Glass accents also add visual interest to your exterior, catching the eye of passers-by and enhancing your home's curb appeal. Choosing decorative or frosted glass options can maintain privacy while letting in light, combining beauty with function. Well-lit entryways improve safety and create a welcoming feel, especially during evening hours. Upgrade security and durability. Aesthetics are important, don't overlook the practical benefits of a new door installation. Modern doors come equipped with advanced locking systems and are made from durable materials that withstand Crestview's weather conditions, including humidity and storms. A sturdy, Secure door not only protects your family and belongings but also signals to visitors that your home is well cared for and safe. Security features like multi-point locks and impact-resistant glass add value and peace of mind. Low maintenance for long-term appeal. Many newer door materials are designed to resist weathering and require minimal upkeep. Fiberglass and steel doors, for example, maintain their color and structural integrity without frequent painting or repairs, making them ideal for Crestview's humid climate. Choosing a low-maintenance door means your home's curb appeal will remain strong for years with less effort. This convenience is especially beneficial for busy homeowners who want beautiful results without constant upkeep. Customization with hardware and accessories. Don't forget the finishing touches. Door hardware such as handles, knockers, hinges, and kick plates can dramatically enhance the look of your new door. Custom hardware in bronze, nickel, brass, or black can complement your door style and add a unique flair. Additional features like smart locks, decorative house numbers, or stylish lighting fixtures around the door also contribute to curb appeal while improving functionality. Conclusion. The door installation is a powerful way to enhance your home's curb appeal in Crestview. From making a memorable first impression, boosting your home's value, to improving security and adding architectural harmony, the benefits of a new door are wide-ranging. With countless styles, materials, and customization options available, you can find the perfect door to match your vision and lifestyle. Partnering with experienced local door installers ensures your new door is expertly fitted and ready to impress. Whether you want to refresh your home's exterior or increase its marketability, a well-chosen, professionally installed door is a smart investment that delivers beauty and value for years to come.